Hey gang, Cheri here from AwesomeSunsets.com. Today I have a huge, exciting story from Carnival. Oh my goodness, you guys. Such exciting news. Can't stand it. Just can't stand how excited I am about this. Today, Carnival announced their brand new ship. Get this. It's a new Excel class ship and it is going to be home ported out of Galveston, Texas in 2023. Oh my goodness, you guys, that is so close to me. Check it out. Welcome to the party, Carnival Jubilee. Oh my goodness, check that out, you guys. Super, super exciting. The Carnival Jubilee will be the sister ship to the Mardi Gras and the upcoming Carnival Celebration that'll be coming out in 2022. So the Mardi Gras began sailing a little earlier this year from Port Canaveral. The Carnival Celebration will be sailing out of Miami in late 2022. And now we know that the Jubilee will be sailing out of Galveston, Texas in 2023. So how about that? So stinking exciting. So Carnival Jubilee will weigh in at 182,800 gross tons. It will have room for 5,400 guests and 1,700 crew. And just like her sister ships, it will also be powered by LNG power. So that's the liquefied natural gas. That's the wave of the future. So she's going to be not only beautiful, but also very efficient. So in celebration of Carnival's 50th birthday, they've went back and named all of these ships out from prior Carnival ships that they've had. So, you know, like the Mardi Gras celebration, both of those were previously used. So super cool that the Jubilee was actually the name of a Carnival ship that sailed out of Galveston, Texas. So how about that? And so now 21 years later, the brand new Jubilee, Carnival Jubilee, will be sailing out of Galveston, but much, much bigger, 4 times the size. 4 times the size as the original Jubilee that was sailing out of Galveston. So, wow. Oh my gosh, just so much super duper things to be excited about. Now, there's in addition to it being 4 times bigger than the original Jubilee, there's going to be so much more to do because guess what? It's getting the Bolt. That's right. The Jubilee is getting the Bolt. The Bolt roller coaster, the first coaster at sea, is going to be featured on the Jubilee. So it will have new designs for the suites, the staterooms. It's going to have a stunning 3-deck atrium that overlooks the ocean during the day, and then at night, just like the Mardi Gras, it will have and it'll turn into an entertainment venue at night. So wow, just wow. It will have 6 fun-filled zones, and 2 of which will be brand new concepts. So excited to hear about that. Stay tuned to my channel as I will let you know all of the information as it comes to me. I love keeping you guys up to date and informed. So if you have any questions, just contact me on my website, awesomesunsets.com. Now, in addition to all of this fun things that they announced today, also Carnival announced that it will have its entire U.S. based ships, the whole fleet of U.S. ships, will all be returned to service by March of 2022. How exciting is that? The Carnival Sensation will be sailing out of Mobile on March 5th. The Carnival Ecstasy, I've been on the Ecstasy, will sail out of Jacksonville, Florida on the March 7th. And the Carnival Paradise will sail out of Tampa on March the 12th. Super, super exciting news, guys. Can't believe my ears. I just have been on cloud nine all day reading about the brand new Jubilee and the fact that it's going to be going out of Galveston, which is so close to me here in the St. Louis area. So super, super exciting. Make sure you hit the like button on this. Make sure you share it out. Share it out to all of your friends so we can grow our awesome Sunsets Ohana. You are my Ohana. Ohana means family. I love each and every one of you. Appreciate each and every one of you. So that's all I had for today, guys. And like I said, I'll continue to bring you updates as soon as I receive them and keep you all updated and informed. So make sure you follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. All the links are in the description box below. And we thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed and awesome day. And I will see you on the beaches of the world. Thanks, guys.